Dates, the sweet and chewy fruits from the date palm tree, have been a staple in Middle Eastern diets for thousands of years. Despite that, these fruits have traversed beyond their native lands, finding a place in kitchens and diets worldwide. From enhancing digestive health to combating inflammation, dates have become an intriguing and valuable addition to health-conscious people's diets. Due to their fiber, protein, and essential mineral content, these small yet mighty dates are celebrated. But there is a catch. Since dates are high in natural sugar, they might pose potential risks of rising blood sugar levels, especially if not monitored in diabetic patients. So, who exactly should eat dates, and how? Do the health benefits of these tiny dates that everyone seems to be raving about really exist? Well, in today's video, we will find out in detail. Let's get started. 1. Rich in fiber. Dates, with their sweet, chewy exterior, are not just a delight for the taste buds, but also a powerhouse of dietary fiber, with almost 7 grams of fiber in a 3.5-ounce serving. Including dates in your diet is a great way to increase your fiber intake. It adds bulk to the stool, making it easier for the intestines to move it along. This process is crucial in preventing constipation and ensuring a smooth and regular bowel movement. In one study, 21 people who consumed 7 dates per day for 21 days experienced improvements in stool frequency and had a significant increase in bowel movements compared to when they did not eat dates. 2. Boosts energy levels. The natural sugars present in dates, fructose, glucose, and sucrose, play a pivotal role in how these small fruits energize the body. Unlike complex carbohydrates, which take longer to break down, the simple sugars in dates provide an almost immediate source of energy that the body may readily use. Apart from that, the role of fiber in dates extends beyond just aiding digestion. When you eat dates, the fiber in them forms a gel-like substance in the gut. This substance slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, providing steady energy levels and preventing the crashes associated with high sugar snacks. In an animal study, Piarum date extract exhibited enhanced energy production with the highest endurance capacity and lower fatigue in the test subjects. 3. Heart health. Potassium helps regulate the balance of fluids in the body and maintains proper nerve and muscle function, including the heart muscle. This regulation is crucial for a steady heartbeat. The more stable and efficient your heartbeats are, the lower your risk of complications like stroke and other heart-related diseases. Additionally, high sodium levels may lead to water retention, which increases blood pressure. Potassium helps flush out excess sodium, further aiding in blood pressure management. High levels of LDL cholesterol may lead to the buildup of plaques in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Therefore, by aiding in the reduction of LDL cholesterol, dates contribute to a healthier circulatory system. In a vitro study, a Brazilian date fruit was found to inhibit angiotensin-converting enzyme activity, a potentially important target mediating blood pressure both in the pulmonary circulation and endothelial cells, thus possibly influencing heart health. 4. Enhances bone health. Dates are a treasure trove of minerals essential for bone health, each playing a unique role in maintaining and strengthening our skeletal system. Phosphorus in dates contributes to the formation and repair of bone tissue. It works in tandem with calcium, the most abundant mineral in the body, also found in dates, to build and maintain strong bones and teeth. Moreover, do you know that only 2 module dates provide about 7% of the daily recommended value of dietary potassium? Potassium helps neutralize bone-depleting metabolic acids, reducing the loss of calcium from the bones. It is essential for maintaining bone density and preventing conditions like osteoporosis, where bones become weak and brittle. According to a study, including a total of 3,100 men aged more than 50 years and 4,000 postmenopausal women, they showed better bone health when they took dietary potassium intake regularly. Aside from that, magnesium, also found in dates, plays a multifaceted role in bone health. It aids in the conversion of vitamin D into its active form, which is essential for calcium absorption. Additionally, magnesium is a part of the bone matrix and helps in the formation of bone crystals, which give strength and rigidity to the bones. 5. Brain health. Dates are not just a sweet treat, they're also a brain-boosting food, thanks in part to their content of vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is crucial for the creation of myelin, a protective layer that covers nerves, including those in the brain. This layer is vital for the efficient transmission of electrical impulses in the nervous system. Efficient signaling in the brain enhances cognitive abilities and leads to better brain performance. Apart from that, there is a link between vitamin B6 and improved memory and concentration. It is involved in brain glucose regulation, providing energy to the brain and improving alertness and focus. Additionally, animal studies have shown dates to be helpful for reducing the activity of amyloid beta proteins, which may form plaques in the blood vessels and outside the neurons of the brain. They may disturb communication between brain cells, which may ultimately lead to brain cell death and Alzheimer's disease. Regular consumption of these fruits is usually associated with a lower risk of neurodegenerative disorders and better cognitive performance in the elderly. 6. Rich in antioxidants. Dates are like nature's own multivitamins. The classes of antioxidants commonly found in date fruits have all been reported to elicit strong antioxidant activities with the potential to ameliorate oxidative stress, related diseases, and infectious diseases. Flavonoids in dates are known for their anti-inflammatory and tumor-inhibiting properties. These compounds help in scavenging free radicals, unstable molecules that may cause cellular damage leading to chronic diseases, including cancer. Apart from that, carotenoids are essential for their immune-boosting properties and their role in preventing the development of various diseases. Carotenoids have been celebrated for their potential to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, making them a valuable component in the fight against cancer. Inflammation and oxidative stress are key factors in the development of many chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Phenolic acid helps mitigate these risks by protecting cells from oxidative damage and reducing inflammation. 7. Promotes skin health. You may know that topical creams containing dates may improve skin health. Research suggests that the application of date creams to the skin may improve skin moisture, content, elasticity, and brightness. The study also notes that dates in skincare may reduce the effects of aging on the skin. It is the reason that people believe that consuming dates may also improve skin health. Collagen production tends to decrease with age, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. The vitamin C in dates helps counteract this by promoting collagen synthesis, thereby aiding in maintaining the skin's youthful appearance and resilience. In addition to that, vitamin D in dates is involved in skin cell growth and repair and helps in protecting and rejuvenating the skin. This vitamin is also known for its role in combating skin conditions such as psoriasis and eczema, which are characterized by inflammation and dry, itchy skin. 8. Regulates cholesterol. Earlier, we told you that dates are high in antioxidants. A randomized controlled trial was conducted with a sample of 100 diabetic patients. A few of them received 3 dates daily for 16 weeks. The study suggests that dates could potentially have a beneficial effect on lipid profiles, especially in reducing total cholesterol and elevating HDL because of their high polyphenolic content. Moreover, dates contain beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber. It may form a gel-like substance in the gut that has the ability to bind with cholesterol in the intestine. This binding process prevents cholesterol from being absorbed into the bloodstream. Instead, it is excreted from the body naturally. By reducing the overall absorption of cholesterol, dates help lower the levels of LDL cholesterol. 9. Supports weight management. Interestingly, several studies have shown that the association between date consumption and weight gain is very weak. In fact, in a 3-week study period, healthy subjects did not gain any weight after consuming 70 grams of dates daily. When you eat dates, the fiber in them absorbs water and expands in your stomach. This expansion creates a feeling of fullness, reducing the likelihood of overeating. High fiber foods like dates take longer to chew and slow down the rate of digestion, further contributing to prolonged feelings of fullness. This may be particularly helpful for those looking to manage their weight, as it helps control hunger and reduces their overall calorie intake. However, it's important to consume dates in moderation due to their high sugar and calorie content. 10. Helps in pregnancy. Although pregnant women may tend to avoid dates due to the myth of increasing body temperature, but dates may play a supportive role in both fetal development and the labor process. Folate, or folic acid, is essential during pregnancy, as it plays a crucial role in the prevention of neural tube defects in the developing fetus. These defects may affect the brain and spinal cord and occur very early in pregnancy. The folate in dates helps ensure proper cell division and DNA synthesis, contributing to the overall health of the fetus. In addition to that, dates may provide stamina to go through childbirth. During the later stages of pregnancy and especially labor, the body requires a substantial amount of energy. The natural sugars in dates, fructose, glucose, and sucrose, are excellent for providing a quick and easy source of energy. The body can easily absorb and use these sugars, which may be particularly useful during the strenuous process of labor. A study found that 91 pregnant women who consumed 70 to 76 grams of dates daily starting the 37th week of pregnancy were in active labor for an average of 4 fewer hours than those who did not eat dates. 11. Rich iron content for anemia. Iron is a crucial component of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that is responsible for transporting oxygen. When someone eats dates, the iron absorbed from them contributes to the production of hemoglobin. By boosting hemoglobin, the iron from dates helps alleviate common symptoms of anemia like general fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. As the body's tissues receive more oxygen, there's a noticeable increase in energy levels and overall vitality. This makes dates not just a nutritious snack, but also a practical dietary supplement for those dealing with anemia. In a study, 31 female primary school children with iron deficiency anemia were fed dates for 2 months. According to the result, the consumption of date fruit increased hemoglobin, hematocrit, and serum ferritin levels, potentially improving their iron levels in the blood. What is the best time to have dates? Well, since you have found out the proven benefits of dates, you must be thinking about adding them to your diet. But when should you eat them? Keep watching and we will tell you the best time to consume dates depending on the benefits you want to leverage. 1. At breakfast. Dates may be an excellent way to add natural sweetness and fiber to your diet in the early morning. What's more, their high fiber content may keep you full and satisfied throughout the morning. 2. As an afternoon snack. Dates are a good source of fiber and high in natural sugars. This pairing of fiber and sugar allows for a slower rise in blood sugar to help you feel energized without crashing soon afterward. 3. When you're hungry. They're a concentrated form of calories and very filling due to their high fiber content. If you're feeling hungry but aren't ready for a full meal, pair dates with some peanut butter for a good source of fiber, carbs, and protein. 4. Before a workout. Though dates are naturally high in sugar, they don't spike blood sugar quickly. Rather, they provide a type of slow-releasing carb that allows for a steady stream of energy to fuel your workout. Try having 2 to 4 dates 30 to 60 minutes before a workout. 5. As a nighttime snack. They're an excellent bedtime snack due to their high fiber content. Fiber takes longer to digest, which may help you stay full and keep midnight hunger pangs at bay. Who should avoid dates and why? Although dates are mighty and healthy, certain individuals should be cautious about consuming them or may need to avoid them altogether due to specific health concerns. 1. Diabetics. Due to their high sugar content, dates may cause a significant increase in blood sugar levels. People with diabetes should monitor their blood sugar closely if they choose to consume dates and should consult with their healthcare provider for personalized advice. 2. Those with fructose intolerance. Dates are high in fructose, a natural sugar. Individuals with fructose intolerance may experience digestive discomfort, such as bloating, gas, or diarrhea after eating dates. 3. People with certain allergies. Although rare, some individuals might be allergic to dates. If you experience any symptoms of a food allergy, such as itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing after consuming dates, it's important to avoid them and seek medical attention. 4. Those with dental problems. The sticky texture of dates may adhere to teeth, increasing the risk of dental issues such as cavities, especially in individuals with existing dental problems. Good oral hygiene is important if you consume sticky and sweet foods like dates. 5. Those with loose stools. Dates contain a sugar alcohol known as sorbitol, which may increase bowel movements in some people. Therefore, it's best to limit or avoid dates until your bowel movements have normalized. The daily inclusion of dates in our diet may be a delightful and nutritious choice, offering a plethora of these 11 health benefits as we've explored. From aiding digestive health to enhancing brain function, these sweet fruits are more than just a treat for the palate. They are a boon for our overall well-being. However, it's crucial to remember that moderation is key, especially considering their high sugar content. For individuals with specific health concerns or dietary restrictions, it's always wise to consult a medical professional before making significant changes to the diet. Today, we learned about all the health benefits that dates offer. But did you know that there are useful things in your pantry that may be beneficial to your health? Want to find out more? Watch 12 powerful health benefits of apple cider vinegar you never knew about. Or watch use baking soda on your body every day for 1 month. See what happens. You may watch either or both of them. Will you be trying to add dates to your diet from now on? Let us know in the comments section below.